Okay, so today we're going to show you guys how to do a sweater nail design. And so we're going to be using the color GMC02. This is a gel monster color created by Zillaboo. And so we're going to start off by painting the entire nail the color of your choosing. And I'm going to use the same color for the sweater design as I am the base. So it'll kind of look like my nail here. You can choose to do a different color underneath and then a different color for the sweater design. That's completely up to you. Okay, once our nail is fully cured, we're going to go in with our matte top coat. Okay, once we have that matte top coat cured, we're going to go in with our liner brush. This one is Apre's long liner brush. It's one of my favorites. And we're going to start drawing our sweater pattern. So we're going to get a good, nice, even amount on the tip of our brush. And we're just going to start making lines going down the middle of the nail. And then from there, we're going to connect our lines in a sweater pattern. So we're going to start on the left hand, and we're going to draw over and connect it to the right hand line. Just like that. And then we're just going to do 2 lines going down each side. Of your sweater design. And then from there, we're just going to make our little marks on the side. Okay, and then this is the most important step. This is how you are going to get that sweater texture here. So you're going to take any clear acrylic powder. Does not matter the brand, but it does matter that it's a clear acrylic powder. And I'm just using a cuticle pusher to carry my acrylic powder up to the nail. And we're going to fully coat all of our wet gel. We did not cure this gel. Okay, and then before we do anything else, now that that acrylic powder is on, I'm going to go ahead and do a full cure. Okay, now our sweater design is fully cured. Just go ahead and dust off any excess acrylic powder And that's it. You have a sweater nail. And you do not top coat this. If you were to try to top coat, you can if you want, but it will get rid of a lot of the texture and it will make your sweater pattern not pop and as visible. And as you can see, you can also sweater pattern part of a nail. You can do the whole nail. Just a really fun winter design.